In this video, we'll be looking at how to do refunds and partial refunds through PromisePay. It's important to note that by default, a marketplace can only do full refunds. The ability to do partial refunds is something that you have to request. And it's very easy to do. Just send an email to developers@promisepay.com and we'll take care of that for you. But it's important to note that starting out, you can only do full refunds. We're going to be going through Postman and through the API as usual and following along through the management platform, which is management.prelive.promisepay. So you see here I have a transaction, an item set up for a cooler scooter between buyer and seller, which is user's ID 1 and 2. We'll send that, and we will see on the management platform. Here it is, and its status is pending. So we now have to make a payment, and that'll be under item actions. So the transaction ID, the item ID goes here, and the buyer's card ID goes there, and this is the Make Payment API call. And you'll notice that the state has been changed to payment deposited. Now, from here, if something goes wrong and some money needs to be refunded, this would be the place to do it. And it's important to note that you can't do a refund once the payment has been released. And so request refund and refund can be done at this point, but not after release payment has been made. So what we're going to do is refund. And that API call requires the item ID, the amount of the refund, which in this case is, we're going to do, let's say, that much, and we'll say this was a partial mistake for the message. Now if you go back to here, back to the management platform, you'll see that the amount has gone down by, well, about half. We refunded about half of it. And of course, if you want to refund the whole thing, you could also have put that on the same API call. So that's about all there is to it. The API makes it very simple to manage complex transactions like this, and you also have the ability to do it through the management platform if you'd like to manage these refunds manually. I'm super happy to answer any questions you might have. Feel free to leave comments or get in touch through developers@promisepay.com, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. See you in the next video.